Good morning, my miracle friends. A new day begins as we sit here quietly preparing for the best day of our lives. I will be saying this every day. Rub your hands together and place them over your beautiful, precious, beating heart. Give yourself a cheeky smile and feel the excitement bubbling up inside you for the new day. Close your eyes and for a moment turn your attention inwards. Every day and every minute in every day and every instant that each minute holds, you are renewing your perception of yourself and the world by keeping the past out of your mind. A Course in Miracles. Lesson 9, A Course in Miracles. I see nothing as it is now. I see nothing as it is now. This idea obviously follows from the two preceding ones, but while you may be able to accept it intellectually, it is unlikely that it will mean anything to you as yet. However, understanding is not necessary at this point. In fact, the recognition that you do not understand is a prerequisite for undoing your false ideas. These exercises are concerned with practice, not with understanding. You do not need to practice what you already understand. It would indeed be circular to aim at understanding and assume that you have it already. It is difficult for the untrained mind to believe that what it seems to picture is not there. This idea can be quite disturbing and may meet with active resistance in any number of forms. Yet that does not preclude applying it. No more than that is required for these or any other exercises. Each small step will clear a little of the darkness away, and understanding will finally come to lighten every corner of the mind that has been cleared of the debris that darkens it. These exercises, for which 3 or 4 practice periods are sufficient, involve looking about you and applying the idea for the day to whatever you see, remembering the need for its indiscriminate application and the essential rule of excluding nothing. For example, I do not see this iPad as it is now. I do not see this telephone as it is now. I do not see this arm as it is now. Begin with the things that are nearest you and then extend outwards. I do not see that car as it is now. I do not see that teapot as it is now. I do not see that face as it is now. It is emphasized again that while complete inclusion should not be attempted, specific exclusion must be avoided. Be sure you're honest with yourself in making this distinction. You may be tempted to obscure it. So all these exercises are sort of like active meditations. You can sometimes feel a little discombobulated doing them or head spinny, but try not to overthink it. I know that's easier said than done. Just relax and go with it. Gaze around for a minute or two and just repeat. I do not see this, that or the other as it is now. A practical example of this lesson would be as we gaze up at a starry night sky and we learn that the time it takes for light from objects in space to reach Earth means that when we look at planets, stars and galaxies in the night sky, we're actually looking back in time. For example, the bright star Sirius is 8.6 light years away. That means the light hitting your eyes tonight has been travelling for 8.6 years already before you saw it. Put another way, when you look at Sirius tonight, you see it as it was 8.6 years ago. The Andromeda galaxy is the most distant object readily visible to the naked eye. It is 2.5 million light years away. So the light from it that we now see right now is 2.5 million years old. So we're looking back, way back in history, and it's not as it is now. To repeat, lesson 9. I see nothing as it is now. Let's switch on our divine lights. Beloved divine, loving light within us and all around us. The perfect day already exists. Thank you for guiding me and everyone concerned to this. Love before me and love behind me. Love to the left of me and love to the right of me. Love above me and love below me. Love expressed through me. Love emanate from me, touching everyone and everything in the form and the formless, with love and peace and blessings. Where would love have me go today? What would love have me do today? What would love have me say or not say today, and to whom? Have an amazing day!